Okay, now we move on to the other topic, which is labor. Alright, so what is the labor here? So this is the introduction of the labor. So labor cost is actually can be classified into two categories. Number one is direct labor. Number two, which is indirect labor. Alright, so what is direct labor cost? Is actually wages paid to the workers who work directly to the production or produce the goods, right? Or give the service to a customer. For example, machine operators and production workers. So what they do is actually they produce the output, all right, directly involved to produce the output, the person who doing the work to produce of the output. All right, now what is indirect labor? So it's actually indirect labor cost. We pay wages to the workers, but actually these people do not directly involve in producing the product or in production of the goods or give service to a customer, such as, for example, here the factory supervisor. The supervisor of a factory do not produce an output. Same also with the maintenance workers. Alright, next, what is the recording time? So in order to record the labor time, so we have the timekeeping. So timekeeping is actually to know the attendance record on the time spent in the factory through various methods. Alright, so if we would like to know at what time they comes in, they go out, alright, so we have various methods here. Number one, which is time recording clock, punch card, register, fingerprint, and etc. Alright, so what is the timekeeping? Is actually give the basic data in order to prepare for the payrolls or salary or wages to the workers. Alright, it's also the in order to calculate for the labor cost of a product or of operation or services. Alright, so why we have to keep this kind of attendance record? Because to meet the statutory requirement in order to control the labor cost of our company. Alright, now we move on to next one. Alright, so what is actually timekeeping? So same also as before, is actually timekeeping or time spent on a particular job or operation. Alright, so how are we going to record this one? So we are going to record based on work done either daily, weekly, based on the time sheet, job ticket, piecework ticket, job time card, and labor cost card, and etc. Why is the purpose? So these are the purpose. Alright, number one, the purposes. Alright, number one, to determine the cost of job performed. Alright, for example, if we would like to know the cost of the house renovation, so we have to keep track of the workers' time in and out in order to know the cost for the house or house renovation. Alright, next one will be to determine the quantity and the value of work done. So we have to value, is it worth it, the cost that we have to pay to the workers with the quantity or the value that they have due. Alright, number three is to find the idle time. Idle time, it means that the time they do nothing. So as a employer, we still have to pay to the workers. Alright, next one. So what are the last purpose? Alright, number one, the last one should be like to determine the wages and then to know the bonus, right, of the workers if they perform their job. Okay, now we move on to the other slide. Okay, right, this one is the example of timekeeping. Alright, here the example of job cost card, and daily timesheet. Alright, so nowadays we also have the fingerprint and etc. Alright, okay, now we move on to the next one. So methods of remuneration, here basically we have two main schemes. Alright, number one is based on the time base or based on the hours work. Alright, the other one is based on the output, right? Based on the quantity that the workers produce. For the time base, we have two. Number one is a basic scheme. Alright, number two, which is high day rate. Alright, so this is the basic. So we have two. Alright, what about the output or based on the production of the workers? Alright, number one, we have the differential piece rate. Okay, number two, we have the straight piece rate, and the third one, we have piece rate with guaranteed minimum. We are going to further our discussion in our next video.